Here we have a classic digital chess clock, and it's the same amount of time for both sides. And the way it works is right now it is not running. Okay, and you basically press the button that has the little triangle that points to the right to begin. However, you need to pick which side is going to begin, right? Right now, this side that's whose turn it is. Okay? So the moment you press this, actually we have a delay set. So the moment you press this, the delay will start to count down, and when the delay finishes, this clock will start to count down. When this side, so when you begin the game, if this side is white, this lever needs to be up. So you basically press the other side. Conversely, if white is on this side, then this lever is up and you press that. So let's give it a go here. And there's the countdown. We had an 8-second countdown, right? And if white plays before the countdown, it lost no time. And now white's time starts to go down at the beginning of a game, all right? When white finishes their turn, immediately black's counts down. And during this time is when you should be recording for SourceCam Car. And now black's time starts to go down. And if you guys have a question about recording or about the chessboard or anything, what you do is you press this button here, which is also the pause button. Okay? And you raise your hand and we will come. We being myself.
Or one of our proctors will come to your board and help you. Also, pause your clock when your game is finished. When there is checkmate or stalemate, you must be recording up to the point to show 3-move repetition for a draw, or the proctor may ask you to see the repetition again. At your levels of play, please do not offer draws and do not accept draw offers. There is a very high likelihood that your opponent will make a mistake too in the coming moves, and we are here to play chess in a tournament setting, so more play is better than taking a draw. For our internal tournament, do not reset your boards and pause your clock. Recording for 20 moves will earn you extra points.
So that's really incentive to record. Recording is really important. If you guys do a good job recording, the games you play, you'll have them the rest of your life. They'll be recorded, and you can look them over, and you can learn from them, and it's just nothing. All chess players who want to improve record the games. We all want to improve. So here's how the chess clock works. We will do the resetting. We will set the boards up after for each round. I just want you guys to be familiar with, so right now, black or that side is playing. When that side finishes, they press the clock. They record their move while this is going on over here for the other opponent. So they don't really use time on their clock. Conversely, when this side is done, white side, then now white is recording and black is thinking of what's going on, following SourceCam Car. I hope that's clear. Ask questions in class, okay? We're going to be using clocks. I want you guys to learn about clocks and become familiar with clocks. All of our clocks work the same. Some of them look a little different. They're very close, very similar. Thanks.